Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how is you all? I hope you are all fine. Dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see unique stylish haircut designs. Very attractive and very stylish modern bob with bangs haircuts ideas in 2023. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. Today you will see in this videos attractive haircuts ideas, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle designs, long layers and short layers, unique short bob with bangs haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. So viewers, you will see beautiful haircuts designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish haircut designs. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch me all unique haircuts, ideas, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle designs. You will see in these videos very attractive and very stylish modern short bob haircuts. I have uploaded bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, toppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. So guys, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. And these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Very attractive and stylish bob haircuts designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel and watch my videos. So take care.